Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following telephone message and list.
Good afternoon. This is Gia Chen calling from Denver Flooring. I'd like to respond to the phone inquiry you made yesterday when our business was closed, about our prices. We generally charge $30 per hour for installation. Additionally, the flooring cost per square meter varies depending on the type of material you choose. Based on the flooring type you mentioned in your message, the amount we charge you per square meter is $35. If you find this to be too expensive, please consider some of the other flooring options. Our most popular one is $20 per square meter. You can find details about these materials at www.denfloor.com. If you would like to schedule a consultation, you can reach me at 555-4988.